In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use @mentions in Monday.com. Fast and easy. Whether you're a Monday.com novice or looking to brush up on your skills, using @mentions effectively can significantly streamline your communication. So let's dive right in and simplify this essential collaboration tool. First, let's navigate to the Update section of the particular item you're working on. This section acts as a dedicated space for communication and collaboration, ensuring all related discussions are conveniently stored in one place. Imagine it as the hub for ongoing conversations related to specific tasks, where you can keep everyone in the loop without the clutter of external emails or message threads. It's important because accessing this directly within your ongoing project helps maintain focus and organization. Once you're in the Updates section, it's time to let your team know what's important. Type the @char symbol. As this tiny but powerful symbol emerges on the screen, you are given a list of your teammates' names. This tool is the bridge between your message and the recipient, ensuring they know there's something requiring their attention right there. Choosing their name means you are grabbing the digital baton, specifically directing your message to the right person in a busy workplace. Next, it's time to express your thoughts. With your teammate's name already lined up, composing your message comes naturally. Be concise yet detailed enough to ensure clarity. Whether you're providing feedback, requesting updates, or giving crucial project insights, your words should leave no room for ambiguity. Just remember, keeping the tone friendly and professional encourages a positive response and maintains respect in your collaborative environment. After crafting your message, it's crucial to wrap it all up by posting it. Simply clicking the post button triggers a seamless flow of communication. This action ensures your tagged teammate receives a direct notification. In an era where inboxes can be overwhelmingly full, these notifications are golden. They stand out, ensuring the recipient is aware of their need to engage with your message promptly. This not only speeds up response time, but also enhances productivity by focusing on what's current and vital. Consider @mentions as a direct line in your collaborative toolkit on Monday.com. It's more than just notifying people. It's about connecting at the right moment with relevant information and allowing your team to react, interact, and progress with actionable insight. So as you implement this step-by-step approach, think of the overall benefits you will be manifesting in your team's workflow. Along with ease, it adds precision, ensuring every message finds its designated recipient without delay. And there you have it, a streamlined way to improve communication on Monday.com using @mentions effectively. Embrace this feature to enhance your team's collaboration and communication, setting a path towards seamless project management. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.